What's up guys, welcome back to my channel, and for today's video I have another Starbucks video for you guys. So I was looking on the Starbucks app at teas I haven't tried yet, because if you guys don't know, I love tea way more than I love coffee. So I was deciding what Starbucks drinks I wanted to try, and I was like, why don't I just try a lot of the teas they have, because I love tea. So if I find a tea I like, I can get like a new kind every time, so I can keep trying them, you know what I mean? Which, I'm not making any sense, and that car literally just drove by not that long ago. Huh, I'm confused. So today we're gonna try, I wrote it down in my notebook, the Iced Passion Tango Tea Lemonade. I have never heard of this one before, and I've never tried it before. I don't think it's new. I think it came out a while ago, but this is the first time I'm hearing of it. And I decided I was going to try it today because it sounds really, really good. So if you're excited for this video, give it a like, comment down below video ideas for the future. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos, and let's go to Starbucks. Can I get a tall iced passion tango tea with lemonade? Thank you. Have a great one, Wolfie. You too. Okay guys, so here I have the Iced Passion Tea Lemonade with liquid cane sugar. I don't know if it's still supposed to have the liquid cane and sugar in there, but that's what it says, so I think it's supposed to be. I think she asked me and I said yes because I think it's supposed to be in there, but if it's not, I'm scared. But I'm so excited. I love tea. Like, I love tea so much. My favorite drink, if you don't know this already, is the strawberry refresher, which is like a tea. And then like I like the regular tea, like the tea that I tried the other day, which was, excuse me, the breakfast tea, I forget what it's called. It's breakfast something English tea. It was so good. I love tea. Like, I love tea. So I'm hoping this is good. I liked the iced guava. That was really good. So I just have high hopes for this. So let's try it and see if it's good. Oh, ew. Oh, ew. Oh my god, that's so gross. Oh my god, that's disgusting. What does it remind me of? What is it? The passion what? Passion Tango Tea Lemonade? It reminds me of something I've had before that was disgusting. What is it? Oh my god, I can't put my finger on it. And I don't want to keep taking sips of it, but I'm trying to figure out what it tastes like for you guys. Okay, you know those teas that are supposedly supposed to taste like a flower or something? I've had a tea like that before and it was fucking disgusting. And that's what it reminds me of. I don't remember the type of flower it was. It was so gross, and this is what it tastes like. It's disgusting. I hate it. I'm trying to think of what it's freaking called, because I know I've tasted this somewhere before, but I can't figure it out, and it's actually gonna bother me. But this is so gross. It's a waste of money. Good thing this was like $2.75. So like, thank God. But like, it's disgusting. I wasted $2.75 when I could have gotten my drink. It makes me really sad. But it reminds, I can't put my finger on it. If I figure it out, I'll write it in editing on the video so you can know. But I know I've had this before and it's really gonna bother me, but let's just know it tastes like a flower and it's disgusting. So I would rate this drink a 2 out of 10 because it's that bad. Yeah, I literally have nothing else to say about this drink because it's so gross. And I had such high hopes for it, so I'm kind of disappointed. Thanks for watching this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to hit a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Don't forget to tell me if you've tried this before. I want to know your thoughts, because if you like this, I want to know why. I really want to know what or why you think this is good. So thanks for watching this. I love you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.